Alright guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are quickly going to be swapping our ICE tokens to the ION. As you already know, that is what they were working on, and they said that the ICE to ION migration is now live on Online Plus, so everyone can now seamlessly swap their tokens directly inside the app using our self-custodial wallet. The first swap wave is available only for ICE on BSC to ION on BSC, so access will gradually enable over the next 72 hours. If it doesn't work for you yet, it will shortly. Once rollout is complete, swaps will be fully enabled for everyone, including the for ION on BSC to ION on ION chain. For ION on ION chain, ION on BSC. See, over the coming period, we will allow the entire community to complete the migration while we prepare the next major milestone, the official ION listing. Now, this is one of the major announcements that they are giving us now. The official ION listing, it means that the official, it was not any listing we know. The official ION listing launched together with the tokenized community and the Pumped Now browser extension. All three go live at the same time, marking the start of the ION deflationary model and the next chapter of the ON. Now, when they announced that they were going to change the ticker of the ICE, if you remember, you saw that the price was falling. Now they have swapped, they have changed to ION, so they want to launch. And this launching is a method to promote the ION ticker. So they want to promote and make the market come to the realization of this particular ticker, so that it can be used to with it in trading. So that is the announcement they are making right here. Now let's leave this one and then head over to their Online Plus app. The first thing is to for you to make sure you update the app to the latest version, and then come over to the wallet section right here. Swap is right here in front of you, so you click on it. So you can see that we are currently on ICE. If you look at the ICE, you're going to see BSC, so that is the ICE on BSC. So that is what I have the tokens on. Click on select coin, then to see ICE open network on ION, so click on that, select this last one. So because why are we selecting this last one? This last one is ICE open network, that is the ION on BSC. So now let's select it. So once you select it, now that is the ICE is the old one. So, and you can see that it is on BSC, and I have a value of over 10,000 of it. And then now we want to sell it, and we want to buy the ION on BSC. Now, why am I buying it on BSC? I'm buying it on BSC because they have said it in the announcement that for now you can only swap from the ICE on BSC to ION on BSC. So that is the only pair that is available. Others will be released within the next 72 hours. So now, others, by others I mean that we are also going to be swapping ICE to on ICE to ION on ION, or ICE on BSC to ICE on BSC to ION on ION. So all those inter swaps will be going on. They will be completing and opening up later in the day, but for now what they have told us is just the BSC feature right there. So now if you select the amount, you are going to see something. So you can just go ahead, insert the amount you want to withdraw. So you see that this is not enabling, so it's still trying to load. So for some, you're going to see that you don't have enough BNB, so you need BNB to be able to make this swap. Why do you need it? Because the token you are swapping is on BSC, so it is on BNB chain, so which means that you need to pay the gas fee on BNB. That is why you need the BNB coin. So what do you need to do? You have to come back here and then just come down to, you can see BNB right here, click on it and then click on receive, and then just go ahead. We are going to receive BNB on BSC right here. So that is what you need, not Ethereum. So I've copied the address. Head over to your wallet or your exchange and send some BNB. So let me go to my Trust wallet, and I'm just going to go ahead, click on BNB, and then click on send. I want to send, and then enter the address, and then come down right here and enter the value. So let me, how much should I enter? Well, let me just enter about yeah, $2 worth of BNB. Let's try. So I'll click on next. So once you come over here, so you can just go ahead and click on confirm right here. It's currently processing right here. So they have sent a message to me, so which means it is now successful. Back to our online plus, and then we refresh. We have received our BNB right here. Look at it right here. So that's the value I just sent right there. So you have to just come back again on swap right here, click on it, and then come down to select coin again, and then we are going to select the ICE open network. The two are going to appear like this, so we are going to go for this one right here, and then you can see that we are swapping the ICE on BSC to ION on BSC right here. So we just have to go ahead and enter the value of ICE on BSC that we want to swap. And if you look at it right here, it is I will just select 100% so that we can do everything. And then you can see that the bridge, you can see that one ICE is equals to one ION. So just click on continue right here, and then you see that the swap is available right here. So you click on swap, and then you can see verify with your pass key. So they need me to confirm my password or your pass key if you have created it on your online plus. And then once you confirm, you can see that swapped complete. So we have successfully swapped our tokens. If you come back now and refresh it, you can see that my ICE open network is now on ION right here. So you can see it right here. So that is how you can do the swapping. And then you can see this is the transaction we have just conducted, and it is what the value of it is worth $22 right. And that's how you can swap your tokens. I know many of you are going to ask me, so you use $2 worth of BNB to swap? No, it's not possible. So if you look at it right here, you see that I still have about if you look at what I sent that time, I sent 2.16 worth of BNB. So, and if you look at it, what I have left is 2.04. So which means that it's just like 0.1 something, 0.1 plus that I used to swap the token. So you can now send back this your BNB to the wallet you took it from or whatever. So it's as simple as that. So that will be all for now. And please, before I go, if you're new to my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.